In today's video, I will teach you how to turn your images and text into an animated GIF using PicMonkey. Let's get started. To make a GIF from an image, you can start with a blank canvas or any design template that you prefer. To start from a blank canvas, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. Now, scroll down until you see the right canvas size for your design. You also have the option to input your custom size at the upper right corner of the panel. Now, to start from a template, simply go back to the homepage, click on the Edit New Image option, and select Templates. Here, you can choose from thousands of templates that you can freely customize. Once your canvas or template is open, it's time to upload your image. To do this, go to the side panel, go to Photos and Videos, and here you have the option to either use an image from PicMonkey's stock library, or you can upload your own files by clicking the Add Photo or Video button. Once your image is uploaded, you can now drag and drop the image onto the canvas. And if you're using a template, you can replace the image on your template by simply right-clicking on the image that you would like to replace and select Replace Image. Now, to animate your design, select the image that you wish to animate. Then go to the sidebar and open the Animate tab. Here, you have different animation options to choose from. You can see the preview of each animation by simply selecting one. And you can remove the animation by clicking on the Remove Animation button. Once you've chosen the right animation for your image, you can now play the GIF by simply clicking on the play button at the bottom of the editor. Now, to make a GIF from a text, simply open a blank canvas and type in the word that you wish to animate. To do this, go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Here, you have the option to use PicMonkey's text presets, or you can start from scratch by simply making a new text box. Once you've typed in the word of your choice, you can now edit the text by simply going to the sidebar, where you can change the font style, size, spacing, and color of the text. Once you're satisfied with the text, you can now select the text that you wish to animate. Then go to the sidebar and select Animate. Now, choose an animation that suits your design. To save your GIF to your computer, simply click on the Download button and make sure to set the file type to GIF animated image before downloading the GIF. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.